Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Rolls-Royce. This two-door coupe has a 12-cylinder, 6.6-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Rolls-Royce is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.